Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be unboxing this Vanessa Nails box that I purchased. And if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Also make sure to turn the bell so you know every time I upload, as well as do not forget to check the description for any discount codes that are available, as well as any of my social media links in the description, so make sure to go check that out. And yeah, let's get on and unbox this. I'm really excited to unbox this because I've been wanting to get the neon collection since like a while, and then I think she had like shut down her website or whatever, and they were like bringing in new products or whatever. So I'm super happy I got my hands on them, and I did purchase like 2 other acrylics, so I cannot wait to see how those look, and I cannot wait to see how the consistency is. I've heard really good things about them, so let's get on and open this package. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna just do is unbox it. I have not unboxed it, so she did put like a fragile sticker, which we love. And y'all, let me tell you guys, I've been waiting on this package for like ever, and I'm super happy that it got here because y'all, USPS be having me messed up because they say your package is here when it's really not, and oh my god, ugh. But y'all, oh my god, okay, let me change this thing. Look how pretty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so okay, so oh, these are small. So this is what? Okay, wait, let me see. Let's see my order. So I'm not sure why it has this sticker on it, but it's open. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, so these are the 2 other colors that I got, and then I did get the neon collection, the neon glow it, and it just has packaging. Okay, so we have this box, and then we have this other box, which is the one that I just opened. This one, I'm guessing, has the rest of the neon colors, which I'm really excited about. I've seen so many good things about the neon colors, of like how they glow in the dark and the colors, which I'm super excited. Like, y'all, look at this neon yellow. So these are in a 1 ounce. I wish I don't know, I don't think she has them in the 2 ounce available, but I'm really excited. I cannot wait to swatch these and see how much they glow in the dark. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It is 10 neon colors, and for the collection of the neon glowy collection, it was $160. and then these 2, which are just some like fall colors that I seen and I wanted to get, these are $13 each. And yeah, I love like the packaging. It's so pretty. You could see my phone but it just says Vanessa Nails, which is so pretty. So I am gonna take all of these out, that way we could swatch them and see how they glow in the dark. I love her packaging though. I love these little boxes. I think they're so cute. Super cute. So I think this is gonna be my favorite money ray. It looks really pretty. So this is the neon collection, the neon glow it, and then these 2 are just, I think this is like her regular acrylic powders, but I don't think these are a collection. But yeah, so my total was $167.40, and then I did use a discount code, and then shipping was $12. So the total that I paid for everything here was $179.40, so $180, which is really good. I mean, I did get what, 12 colors, and then these glow in the dark, and these are just regular acrylics. So I will be starting to swatch them. I am gonna swatch the Neon Collection first because I do really want to see how they look. So I'm gonna just go in rainbow order. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I always do rainbow order. Ooh, this looks pretty, like a really pretty baby blue. That looks pretty. These look kind of similar, but I know they're not. This is like a red, I think. It says a fierce red, some pinks, and a purple. And then I will be swatching these last because I'm really excited to swatch her Neon Collection, because yeah, I've been waiting for this Neon Collection for so long. The first one that I'm gonna swatch is Lemon Pop, and it is like a neon glow in the dark. Look how pretty. Oh my god, yeah. So this is the first one that I'm gonna swatch. By the way, I am using the Young Nails monomer, and my brush is from NailsBySafi Glamour. I really love the consistency. It's really bomb. Look how bomb that looks. Oh my god, y'all. And then after I had made my order, I seen that they had a pastel collection, which y'all, I think I'm going to get because look how bomb. So this one's Lemon Drop, I believe. Oh no, lemon Pop, sorry. But look how bomb that looks. So that's Lemon Pop. Super pretty. The next one that I'm gonna swatch is Magma Orange. I will be swatching Magma Orange. Which, look how bomb. Oh my god, y'all. And then let me tell you guys, whenever I was waiting on my order, I had like, if you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen that, yeah, I was literally like dying because I seen everybody else get their order, but I didn't get mine. So I was like, you know, tripping. And y'all, she's so sweet. She had messaged me and everything, and once I had already gotten my order, her kids are so cute. They were like so happy that I had gotten my order. Her kids are so cute. But y'all, look how bomb. I'm really excited to use these. Like, tell me this does not look bomb. These are definitely bomb. Definitely, I cannot wait to do like like a summer set with these, that'd be so bomb. Like, literally. This orange is so pretty, especially for right now, for the fall. Super pretty. The next one that I'm going to swatch is Liddy Lime, which looks like just like a neon color, which I'm guessing that means Money Right is maybe like a darker color, so we'll see. One thing I do want to mention, as you guys know, I usually put my color at the bottom of the swatch, but I did want to show you guys how it looks just like this, so that way I could show you guys a good like view of how pigmented they are, because girl, these are pigmented. Look how bomb. I cannot wait to see how it looks under the light. So this one is Liddy Lime. So this one is Liddy Lime. The next one I'm going to be swatching is Money Right, which, like I said, it's most likely like a darker green. Which, yeah, it probably is. Look at that. Definitely love the consistency. It is really good. Now, I did see that she does have her own monomer, which now I regret not buying because I'm pretty sure it's bomb. But like I said, I am using the Young Nose monomer. So this one is Money Right. I believe I hope I'm not, yeah, Money Right. I don't want to say the names wrong, but super pretty. This one that I will be doing is Bright Skies, which looks like a baby blue to me, but I'm not sure because there is another blue. So I'm guessing one of these is maybe like a neon blue. But now I look at it, it looks kind of like a purple, like a lavender color, which looks really pretty. So we are going to swatch. It looks really pretty. I definitely thought it was gonna be more like of a, like kind of like a purple, but I guess not. Like to me, this looks like a periwinkle color. But all I'm gonna say is that it looks bomb. Look how pretty that looks. Super, super pretty. Now, I do believe she sells them individually as well. But yeah, I am so happy I got my hands on this whole collection. And I'm happy that they didn't sell out or anything, because if not, I would have been a little upset. just moved it a little bit. Super bomb. The next one that I am going to swatch is Blue Moon, which I'm guessing this is maybe like a neon blue or like a darker blue. Look at that. Super pretty. Yeah, this for sure is like a neon blue. This one looks bomb. So that's how this one looks like, and this one is Blue Moon. Super pretty. The next one that I will be swatching is Purple Rain. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Oh, baby. Hopefully I don't think it's spilled. Look how bomb. Y'all see that? Super pretty. But y'all, I've been wanting to get my hands on this collection ever since like I kind of started doing nails. Maybe like last year around this time. I've been wanting this collection, but I never had the courage to buy it because I don't know. But I am so happy I did now because girl. Super pretty. So this is Purple Rain. The next one that I will be swatching is Pink Burst. I was about to say Starburst. I'm bad. But oh man. But it's Pink Burst. The lid came off already. Now, I ain't about to waste product, but even though I just spilled some, but this one is Pink Burst. Look how pretty. This is a really pretty pink, like a really pretty hot pink. This one's Pink Burst. The next one that I'm going to swatch is Passion Light. Look how pretty, y'all. I cannot. So this is how it looks like. It's super pretty. And then last but not least, from the Glowy Collection, I am going to swatch Fierce Red, which I should have done first since it's like a red and I was trying to go in order, but ooh, look at that. That looks really pretty. How bright that is. It's super pretty. So this is what it looks like. It is super pretty. Such a bright color. And it is in Fierce Red. I cannot wait to see how they glow in the dark. So this is the whole Glowy collection, which look how pigmented and bright the colors look. I definitely love the pigmentation. I loved the consistency of the acrylics, so I definitely recommend to purchase, y'all. Like, I really do. And I will be showing you guys at the end how they glow in the dark. And right now I am going to be swatching Cinnamon and Burnt. Okay, so the color that I'm going to swatch is cinnamon. I can never say it right, but I'm going to swatch this color. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it looks really bomb. Look how it looks. It looks pretty bomb. This is number 43. The next one that I will be swatching is Burnt, and number 25. So this is what Burnt looks like, and it looks really pretty. I cannot wait to create some faucets with these two colors, which look absolutely bomb. So I just wanted to show you guys the colors side by side. On the left, it is number 43, and on the right, it is number 25, which look absolutely bomb for faucets. Okay, so then here I have the whole Glowy collection, which looks really pretty. So now I will be showing you guys how it looks like under the light. Look how bomb it looks. Even my little finger from the acrylic that I had rubbed off got on my glove. But this is how the Glowy collection looks. It looks really, really pretty. I am super impressed on the pigmentation and how much it glows in the dark. Even right here, I do have the powders in front of me. Obviously you guys can't see them, but they are glowing, and I love, love, love. I love how it's also picking it up on camera really good. So this is how they all look. And this is what they look, how the colors look like in the order I have them in. And I do have them, this first one is Fierce Red, then we have Lemon Pop, Magma Orange, Liddy Lime, Money Right, then I believe this one is Bright Skies, Blue Moon, Purple Rain, then we have Passion Light and Pink Burst, which they all look super, super bomb, and I am really, really impressed in this collection. I am super happy that I did get my hands on it because I've been wanting to get my hands on it, and I am super impressed. I love, love them. I definitely recommend to purchase. And I also do recommend to purchase her colored acrylics, which I will be purchasing more, and I am for sure going to be purchasing her pastel collection. So definitely comment down below what other collections or colors you guys think that I would like, so that way I could purchase them and review them to see if they are the same. And yeah, that is gonna be the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And also do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Also do not forget to turn the bell so you know every time I upload, as well as do not forget to check out the description for any social media and any discount codes that I have available. I do not have a discount code available for her. I did use other people's, so make sure to go check out her website and her brand ambassador so that way you guys could get some money off. And yeah, that is the end of this video. Shout out to Vanessa, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.